Step 1. Select a room. In the Kanary mobile app, we're going to select the room that you are going to install the dispenser in. To do this, go to Settings, then tap on Structure Management, and select your desired room. In this example, we're installing the dispenser in Patient Room 1. Step 2. Add the dispenser. Once you've selected your room, tap on the New button at the top right-hand corner. Then tap Add with Bluetooth to scan for nearby devices. To make your OPHARDT Smart from the Start devices discoverable, simply open the dispenser's lid. Once you do these 2 steps, your dispenser will show up as a found device. Step 3. Configure and name your dispenser. Tap on the dispenser that has appeared in the Found Devices list. At the moment, it will be a unique set of numbers, but we'll be able to give it a proper name later on. Once you tap on the dispenser, it will start configuring your dispenser so that it can connect to your organization's Wi-Fi network. This information has already been set up by an admin, so you don't need to find, remember, or enter any names or passwords here. After it's been configured, tap Continue to name your device. In this case, we're naming our device Demo Device, but we recommend creating a name that makes it easy to identify, especially if there are multiple devices in a single room. And that's it. You've successfully set up your smart dispenser with the Kanary mobile app.